VL4 to the nearest 10. I'm going to draw a number line. And now I have to think 784. For this one, we really want to focus on the tens place, which is where we have 8, which is really actually the value of 80. So remember in our last video, we tried to figure out what the lower value would be and what the higher value would be. So I know that 84 is greater than 80. And I know that it's less than 90. But remember that this number isn't between 80 and 90. It's actually between 780 and 790. We have to keep that 700s in there because this is actually a hundreds number. We're just really focusing on that tens place. So now I know that my number is between 780 and 790. I need to think about what the halfway point is between these two numbers. So I'm really going to focus on between 80 and 90. And I know that 85 is between 80 and 90. So that means 785 is between 780 and 790. Now, looking at the next step, we have to figure out where 784 stands. So since this is only a range of 10 numbers, I can just count from 780 all the way to 790 by ones. So it's 780, 781, 782, 783, 784, 785, 786, 787, 788, 789, 790. Remember, my 784 was right there. Now, one thing that we need to keep in mind is it closer to 780 or 790 so that I could round to that tens number? When I'm looking, I'm noticing that it is on the side that is less than the midpoint, which means then I can round to the smaller benchmark of 780. If it was on the larger side of 785, then I would be rounding to 790. But it's not, in this case, it's less, so I'm rounding to 780. So when it says round 784 to the nearest tens number, I would say the closest is 780.